Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a purchase order in SAP. Let's get into it. First, open the buying screen. Go to the top search bar on your screen, type in the shortcode ME21N, and hit the Enter key. Wait for the big buying form to open up on your screen so you can see all the empty boxes. Because this code is the fast shortcut that takes you straight to the order creator. You have to open this page so the system knows you want to buy new items instead of just looking at old files. Without this step, you would be stuck on the home page and wouldn't be able to start your form. Next, put in the seller details. You need to tell the computer who you are buying the items from by entering the store's information at the top of the form. Move your mouse to the box that says Vendor and type in the name or the special number of the seller. Also fill in your company code, your buying group, and the date in the small boxes right next to it. Because the system needs to know where to send the final paper when you are done. By choosing the right seller, the computer will automatically pull up their address and payment rules. It ensures that your order goes to the right store and not to a stranger. Next, add your items and quantities. Now you need to scroll down to the middle section of the screen and list the actual things you want to buy. Click on the first line under the items chart, type in your item number, how many you want, and the price. Type in the delivery date so the seller knows when to bring the boxes to your building. This chart is what the seller actually looks at to pack your order. By entering the exact numbers, you are making sure you don't get too many or too few items. It is the key step to getting the right output so that the total price at the bottom matches your budget. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.